It is now a crime to provide gender-affirming care to minors in the state of Idaho. Governor Brad Little signing House Bill 71 into law Tuesday night. As our Brendan Jones reports, doctors providing or assisting minors in getting care could now face felony charges whether or not a minor's parents approve the surgery.
There was a time when he was in high school when we didn't know if he would survive.
Shauna Jones is talking about her son, who is 23 now but received gender-affirming care as a minor.
And getting him gender-affirming care absolutely saved his life.
The care her son got will now be illegal in Idaho for minors. Tuesday night, Governor Brad Little signed HB 71 into law. The law bans gender-affirming care in any form to minors. The penalty for doctors who perform this care would be a felony charge of up to 10 years in prison. The bill passed the House and Senate with little opposition. Governor Little saying in a letter, the bill seeks to protect children with gender dysphoria from medical and surgical interventions. Boise's mayor in opposition to the law, tweeting the bill lets the government encroach on parents' rights. Supporters of the bill say it's best to wait for kids to turn 18 until they can get this care.
No kid is really equipped to make a decision like this, and it's something that should definitely be waited on.
That's activist Chloe Cole. Cole had gender-affirming surgery as a minor in California. Cole regrets it now and fights against that care for minors. Cole spoke in Idaho a few months ago in support of the bill and sat down with Idaho News 6 to talk about her experience.
A part of what went wrong for me was that I wasn't fully developed when I went through the process.
It's important to note that no doctor is currently performing gender-affirming surgeries in Idaho, and even medication like testosterone blockers are only prescribed after long discussions involving parents and physicians. Jones worries about the possible outcomes of this new law.
I fear that it will cost lives. I fear that children will take their lives when they aren't able to receive this life-saving care.
Physicians around the state think that this law and others like it will continue to chip away at Idaho's health professionals.
We're going to see more physicians leave in the coming years because they're afraid of going to jail for practicing medicine, for following well-established standards of care.
Brendan Jones, Idaho News 6.